So this was an uneventful trade. I was kind of doing a few things at once, and my sentiment was bearish because I saw that London market took out Asian highs, and so I was preparing for market to actually reflect bearish. It took a while for this bearish sentiment to actually, not a while. It wasn't a clear drop. It looks like bullish was its main focus, and I had drawn this particular fair value gap because I felt it would come and try to fill it, which it did, and I should have just gotten out at this point, but I wasn't paying attention. And I got stopped out. Well, I think I just got out, so I would kind of be towards my break even. Um, it did honor the fair value, the equilibrium here, which gave me more, confidence as a confluence to go into this bearish trade, and I thought I would hit my take profit down here, but that wasn't the case, and so obviously we have this big reversal back up, almost like this engulfing candle here, engulfing candle here again, and so have this bullish run somewhere over here, which is hard to see with this little cursor, but somewhere over here is where I took this trade above this um, Asian high. Um, and the reason why I took this trade was because I gotta use better tools, I guess. Where is the arrow? The reason why I took this trade, that's not gonna work. The reason why I took this trade is because there's a fair value gap here. Um, here that this green candle actually fills, and so that took me up. So that got me out of my loss, because initially I was break even, and then I went back in for a bearish trade, lost. I think I was negative 600, so I ended up becoming positive 650 or so, and that's how I got this $50 profit on my account. So nothing to be excited about. I proud of myself for realizing that I can always flip as long as I have a trade that makes sense and my strategy is being respected and price action is appropriate. I can actually still flip. So why did I get out early? Because I've already entered into a trade and I didn't really want to stay into something that I wasn't going to fully put my complete attention to, and that wasn't worth my time, because initially my bias was bearish. So because it wasn't respected completely, even though I still benefited from this and it took me out of the hole, um, it wasn't worth me still trying to enter into a full trade. At this point, it's 11 o'clock my time, and I don't want to sit in this trade any longer. I'm also looking at another trade, trying to do some swinging here and there, and I'm in this swing trade, but it's like on the 4 hour. I'm in this swing trade. Um, I've been in it now for like 3 days and looking to see it's clearly not hit my take profit. I'm doing this on my trade locker. I'm up something. I don't know what I'm up. I'm up $400 or so. I'm just waiting for it to hit my take profit. Actually, the other day I got into an AUD USD and it did hit my take profit. I think it was like 300 bucks. It was a one. It was a 1 to 1.46, which is low. I should have done a 1.2. Well, this was like my first time trying to get back into swing trading and doing it the right way. But yeah, so I'm in the Euro USD swing trade right now. If it hits my take profit before the end of the day, awesome. If it doesn't, I might just get out early because I'm not sure I want to hold till the weekend. I get it, swing trading is like a week long, but plus or so, but I really don't know if I really want to hold my trade that long. I was also looking at this USD CAD. Because it had this bullish, it's weekly, daily, and 4 hours all bullish or had been, and I was cool to take it, but I wanted to see it sort of, I saw that I didn't see it really stick out, break out of this area and retest it yet, so that's why I didn't really enter into it, and I don't see like any continuation um, candles or anything like that that suggests it's going to continue up right now. So I'm just kind of watching it. I won't enter, even if it presents something, because today's a Friday. I don't feel comfortable getting into something on a Friday. and just waiting to see what happens Saturday. But this I am definitely going to watch for sure. If I hit anything down here, it'd be fantastic. Yeah, we'll see. But yeah, that's my trade. It's Friday.